what will actually make a difference among countries in terms of tackling excessive debt? Is it willingness of population to sustain pain? How much instability can we expect going forward? Are the governments likely to start paying people not to revolt?
Wow.
Sounds a bit hyperbolic, but
Yeah, it does. And look,
there are some signs going there.
look, if anybody, any person that you know who has ever gotten into debt and tried to get out of it, it can be a spiral.
Mm-hmm.
What we were talking about before in promoting, better economic outcomes is the most important thing we can do to avoid a downward spiral of debt.
Mm-hmm.
And that downward spiral isn't just financial, it's also social, as you've correctly highlighted.
What will make a difference in your view?
I think governments need to have plans that are appreciated by their populations, not just to foster stronger economic growth, but also growth that is felt by the full range of the population. In many countries, income inequality has grown, and those who feel like they don't have an ability to prosper are angry, and they vote for candidates that feed on their anger. And those candidates, again, are anti-globalization. They're anti-immigration in many cases, and they have platforms that ultimately may not be the best way of dealing with the debt and dealing with commerce. So I fault those who are fans of free trade for not making their case more strongly so that people can understand it, because those who don't like free trade, it's a very, very simple argument. Look, we'll stop trading, we'll make everything here, everybody will be better off. But that's wrong, because people will be paying higher prices for things. You may not be able to access some things at all. And you're much better off if you can be part of a global system. This goes all the way back to Adam Smith. As long as you're not selling some of your population, you're not ignoring some of your population as you try and get the benefits of globalization.